Welcome back to my channel, and it's my first Vlogmas. So I will be showing you things that we usually do during the holidays. Of course, we like to go on the light tour. We like to make craft projects or things to keep busy, fun things, holiday themed things. We'll get a little shopping in, maybe before and after the holidays, make it extra fun. Always remember to treat yourself while you're treating others. Rating hack. So I'm creating elfville, but I wanted to make some snow go up the wall. So you need a bag of fluffy white snow and some double stick tape. You take your double stick tape and you place it behind the snow. Explore. So I went on a wine tasting. Time with your family, of course. Join me for 31 days of holiday fun. Welcome to Vlogmas.